Tired of manually entering inventory data? It's time-consuming and prone to errors. In this video, we'll show you how to use barcode scanners to make inventory input in the IRM a breeze. First, let's access the IRM and navigate to the Add Inventory section. Click the plus sign and choose a template or manual entry, and fill in the basic details like location and equipment profile. Now, the magic happens. If you have a physical barcode scanner, connect it to your computer and position the cursor in the serial number field. Then simply scan the barcodes on your inventory items. No barcode scanner? No problem. Download the Barcode to PC Wi-Fi Scanner app on your smartphone. Install the companion software on your computer. Select the target field and scan away. The app will seamlessly transmit the data. This app is a lifesaver, especially for smaller organizations or those with infrequent scanning needs. It's cost-effective and eliminates the need for dedicated hardware. Barcode scanning revolutionizes inventory management. It's faster, more accurate, and frees up valuable time for other tasks. Say goodbye to manual data entry headaches. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Have questions or want to share your barcode scanning experiences? Leave a comment below.